How to add custom visual elements in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and make sure you are in the edit page. This is where you will do most of the work to add and position your custom visual elements. Next, import the visual elements you want to use. These can be images, logos, graphics, or even animations. To do this, go to the media pool, right-click and choose Import Media. Select your files and bring them into your project. Now, drag your custom element from the media pool to a video track above your main footage on the timeline. You can adjust the size and position using the inspector panel. Make sure the element is selected, then under transform, scale it, move it, or rotate it however you like. If you want to animate your visual element, you can keyframe its properties. For example, to make a logo fade in and move, go to the starting point in the timeline, set keyframes for opacity and position, then move forward in the timeline and set the final keyframes values. This creates smooth transitions for your visuals. You can also go into the Fusion page for more advanced customizations using nodes. Finally, return to the edit page to preview and fine-tune everything. Make sure your visual element appears at the right time and align well with your content. And that's it. Now you know how to add custom visual elements in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.